So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. The premium electric scooter in India, Bajaj Chetak. How is it? Whether you can buy it or not, let's find it out in this video. So firstly, let's start with the build quality of Bajaj Chetak. Without any doubt, Bajaj Chetak is really premium in terms of design and look as well. Starting from the body, most of the body is made up with metal. If you look at the current electric vehicle market, this is the first electric scooter offering a metallic body. So that means it is strong as well. And coming to the highlights of Bajaj Chetak electric scooter, so far this is the highest rated motor power, 3.8 kilowatts of rated power motor, whereas the top speed of this electric scooter is 70 km/h. And recently after the launch of Ola and Simple One, maybe their motor power is higher than Bajaj Chetak, but still this is the available electric scooter with highest rated motor power. And the battery capacity of Bajaj Chetak is 3 kWh lithium ion, and it is a fixed battery pack. And the charging time of this electric scooter is 5 hours. And it comes with features like reverse mode and hill assist as well. You can get this hill assist option in this Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. In addition to that, you will get this side stand sensor, which means if the side stand is on, this scooter will not move. It's a safety feature in Bajaj Chetak. And coming to the peak power of Bajaj Chetak, it is 4.08 kilowatt, and it is lesser than TVS iQube and Ather 450X. But still the rated power of Bajaj Chetak is higher than TVS iQube and Ather 450X. That is one of the reasons TVS iQube or Ather 450X can accelerate faster than Bajaj Chetak because of the peak power. Starting from the front portion of Bajaj Chetak, the tires are 12-inch. And it comes with disc brakes, and however the front mudguard is not actually metallic, it is actually plastic material, and this body part is metallic element. And whereas the light, and definitely we need to mention about the intensity of Bajaj Chetak light. For example, the normal electric scooter lights you can consider from earth to troposphere, whereas the Bajaj Chetak LED light intensity you can consider as from the earth to stratosphere. So that's how you can consider the intensity of Bajaj Chetak LED headlamps. And coming to the seat, definitely the premium fabric seats. You can feel the seats of Bajaj Chetak, and it is comfortable for both the rider and the pillion as well. Again, on the rear side you will get the 12-inch tubeless tires, and the braking is combi braking system. And now coming to the muscles of Bajaj Chetak, which is the motor, it is a 3.8 kilowatt solid gear drive motor, and the peak power of this electric motor is 4.08 kilowatt, and with this motor you can reach a top speed of 70 km/h. You can feel the solid gear drive motor in the complete throttle. Initially, if you give throttle up to 40 to 50%, you don't feel the power of this solid gear motor. However, if you give up to 90% of the throttle, then only you can feel the complete power from this solid gear drive. On the rear side, you will also get this ladies footrest. In addition to that, these foot pegs also given here. It is easy to open. On both the rear sides, you will get this foot pegs. Now I am going to tell you how to ride this Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. You need to have this key fob inside 1.5 meters of radius. Only then you can on this Bajaj Chetak, because it is a completely keyless operated electric scooter. You don't need to use a key for this. Just keep this key fob inside your pocket. Just tap once here. On this digital instrument cluster, you can see the details like this speedometer here. And you will also get the time and the range, and this is the odometer. Right now it is in neutral. You need to toggle these things, and I will tell you that. And if you want to see the other details, just press this button now. And this is the trip meter. And if you press once again, it will show you the state of charge. Right now it is 57% charge, the Bajaj Chetak. And again, this is the odometer. And now to open the front boot space, press this button here. So this is the boot space of, here you can keep one mobile phone, but I don't recommend keeping a mobile phone here, because if they can give some slanty mode, then definitely can keep a mobile phone. And the USB socket is here. And this is the emergency medical kit. And this is the drive button where you can toggle between this eco mode and the drive mode. And this is the button for the reverse mode. And this is the right side indicator. And this is the button for both the front boot space opener and also to open the seat also. You need to hold this button. Then you can open the seat. Just long press this button, no? And the boot space will open, and not too much boot space available. And this is the charger. And the good part is the scooter will blink, and it will give you a sound indication that the seat is open, and the sound will be continuous till the seat is open. It is a kind of indication for you. And this is the charger you will get. Keep this, and IEC 60309. Actually this can be charged in a charging point as well. This is usually for e-rickshaw charging point as well, or else you can connect this to use it as a 3-pin plug. So both the ways you can use at the charging station. Also you can use using this IEC 60309 connector, or else you can use this as a 3-pin plug as well. And this is the charging point of Bajaj Chetak. And these are the high beam and low beam buttons here, and also the horn. And this is the hook for Bajaj Chetak, but I don't like this hook from Bajaj Chetak, because they have given the premium quality of Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. But this hook is very basic. They have used some basic plastic element. They could have used some better than this. Maybe this thing they could have improved on this Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. They have spoiled this particular premiumness using this kind of hook element. And one more good option in this Bajaj Chetak, it comes with a hill assist option. All you need to do is just hold this brake and press this, and that's it. Your electric scooter will not move, especially in the hilly roads. This is one more safety feature in Bajaj Chetak. To remove it, just press like this. So initially your Bajaj Chetak in neutral mode, run in the eco mode or in the drive mode. All you need to do is just press this rear brake. Then you need to press on this drive button. That's it, and you are ready to go. And it shifted into, initially it will show in eco or drive mode. So I will ride it, see, and the scooter is moving now. To shift from eco to sports mode, you need to press on this drive button and it will toggle to sports mode. Again, if you want to shift to eco, again press it on the D, you will get into eco mode. And now I am going to show you how to use the reverse mode option in Bajaj Chetak. To shift to reverse mode, you need to press this rear brake, then hold this R button, and that's it, you are good to go in reverse mode. So in this reverse mode, you can understand better about this solid gear drive motor, because if you give up to 40% of the throttle, this scooter will not move. You need to give at least 70 to 80% of the throttle. Now it will move. You got it right? In the same way, the solid gear drive motor works efficiently in the complete throttle. So that's how this Bajaj Chetak got designed, and that is what they said, it is solid in design. Now to shift from reverse mode to eco or sports mode, again just need to press this rear brake and again press this drive button. That's it. So let's go for a test ride on Bajaj Chetak and find the performance on it. See, the three things you can immediately feel after sitting on an electric scooter is, of course, the seat, the throttle and the brakes, and all the three things you can feel premium in this Bajaj Chetak. And in terms of performance, if you ride TVS iQube or Ather 450X, the Bajaj Chetak feels completely different, because it neither comes with a gear drive nor a chain drive. It comes with a solid gear drive. So what does it mean? The moment only when you completely twist the throttle, only then you can feel the complete performance of this solid gear drive motor. And definitely the handling of Bajaj Chetak is quite simple, and even the brakes of Bajaj Chetak, especially the front disc brake, is you can see the action now. So you can feel the immediate action of Bajaj Chetak front disc brake, whereas the drum brake action is okay, fine, it is manageable. And the next part, it's about the suspension of Bajaj Chetak. See, the front and rear suspension, it comes with monoshock suspension. It not comes with a telescope at the front or dual shock at the rear. However, it still managed to tackle the toughest road conditions of India. But during the heavy potholes and speed breakers, it's better to slow down on Bajaj Chetak. Just like Bajaj said, the solid gear drive, the Chetak feels solid in terms of design and performance as well. Now coming to the top speed of Bajaj Chetak, it comes with two modes, the Eco and the Drive mode. Even in both the modes you can reach a top speed of 70 km/h, but you need to give the throttle completely. If you give medium throttle, you don't find much speed difference, so better to give complete throttle, then you can hit the top speed of 70 kph. Whereas in the Drive mode also you can reach a top speed of 70 kph. The only difference between the Eco mode and Drive mode is the acceleration. The quicker acceleration comes in the Drive mode, but definitely you can feel the torque in the second mode. Even the peak power of this Bajaj Chetak is 4.08 kilowatt, so that you can feel in the second mode. Man, Chetak performance is completely different, man. So after completing the test ride on Bajaj Chetak, here is the final verdict on this Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. Firstly, the performance in this electric scooter is top notch, especially if you give complete throttle up to 90 to 100%, and you will feel the fruit on this Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. You will feel the peak power, which is a 4.08 kilowatt in the second mode. Even though in the first mode or second mode, the range prediction is very accurate in this Bajaj Chetak. Initially, if you see the Bajaj Chetak 95% fully charged, you will see the range of up to 75-80 kilometers. The moment you start riding this electric scooter, based on your riding performance, and the range will be adjusted. And the range on this Bajaj Chetak is 95 kilometers in the Eco mode. And if you go with a top speed of 30 to 40 kilometers of top speed, definitely you can hit a range of more than 100 or 105 kilometers as well. I personally love about this Bajaj Chetak is the different feel of the motor, which is the solid drive motor, and you will definitely feel somewhat different than the existing electric vehicles in India, especially the two-wheelers, and some features like the hill assist and the remote on-off switch, and these things make Bajaj Chetak premium in this segment. Finally, Bajaj is offering 3 years warranty on this battery pack, 3 years or 50,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And the only improvement part about Bajaj Chetak is the pricing. They recently increased the pricing of Bajaj Chetak. The on-road price right now of Bajaj Chetak is close to 1,50,000 rupees. I don't know why Bajaj Chetak all of a sudden increase the pricing of Bajaj Chetak. Maybe they don't want to affect their petrol scooter sales. That is one of the reasons they may increase the pricing of Bajaj Chetak. Other than that, the performance or the design of Bajaj Chetak is premium. If Bajaj can reduce the price of Bajaj Chetak to 1,10,000 or 1,15,000 rupees, definitely this scooter will sell like hotcakes. So whatever the price they are saying, 1,50,000 rupees of on-road, at least they could have given the fast charging option. Maybe that is one more point, may add more value to Bajaj Chetak for the price what I was saying, 1,50,000 rupees. So viewers, if you want complete comparison video, live comparison video between TVS iQube, Ather 450X and Bajaj Chetak, please give us 50k likes. Definitely we will do live comparison between these three performance electric scooters. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel, and for fast updates, please to follow Facebook page and website. Go green, go electric.